Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial we are going to be looking at how to contact Meta support for any issue at all related to disabled ads accounts, restricted business manager, ad payment issues, Facebook page creation issues, and a whole lot more. If you are used to running sponsored ads on Facebook, then you're probably not new to any of these issues, and sometimes it can be really nerve-wracking. Because I run an online advertising agency, I have witnessed some of these issues firsthand and have also helped a lot of people to resolve these issues as well. But right now we're going to be looking at how to contact Meta directly. So the first step you need to take is to get the Meta Ads Manager app, and you can do that by going to your Google Play Store or your Apple Play Store and downloading the Meta Ads Manager. All right, so once you've downloaded it, it looks something like this. So you set it up. If you've not already have any ad setup, yours is going to be looking a bit empty. Of course, you also have actually run ads to have experienced any of these issues, right? So this is how the app is going to be looking like if you have actually run any ads in the past, right? So it's going to be showing you some of the ads you've run in the past, and then there are different features on this app. So this app is actually what allows you to set up and manage your ads either from the Ads Manager app itself, or from the Ads Manager desktop version, or even from your Facebook account directly, when you boost posts. So any ads you run at all from any of Meta's platform, whether from WhatsApp, from Facebook, from the desktop version of the Ads Manager, and all of the ads are going to be reflected here, and of course you're going to be able to manage them here, or basically. All right, so once you're on this app, the first thing you want to do is to, of course, set it up, right? So then after setting it up, you're going to be seeing all of these features here. So the feature that is going to allow you message and chat with a Meta representative directly, so that you can tell this person, because this is going to be like a human being you're going to be speaking with, to relate the issue you're having with the person. All right, you know how that you have this issue with your account, and then there is nobody to talk to. You're just left to speculate on what could be wrong and what's not. But all right, but following this step, you're going to be able to speak to a Meta representative directly and hopefully get your issues resolved. I've actually followed this step before, and I was able to actually recover a restricted account, and some other issues I've had resolved as well. So if you follow this process, you're going to also be able to have your issues resolved. So if you're new to this channel, this is Smart Skills Hub TV with me, Mary Adole, and here we teach how to make money online, and also how to use tools, techniques, and platforms to also make your work as an individual easy, or as an organization. I want to crave your indulgence, so please subscribe to our channel and also turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss out anything when we post similar videos like this as well. So what you just need to do after you've had the app set up is to come to this place where it's showing question mark. All right, so this icon that is showing question mark, click on it, and then you'll be redirected here. So aside from this tool serving, or aside from this feature serving as help and support, there are actually a lot of things you can learn from here. All right, you can there are articles here you can actually come to read, maybe in your spare time. Say you're just starting to run Facebook ads and there are so many things you're confused about. You can actually troubleshoot a rejected ad. You can read about what to do if your cryptocurrency ad or application is rejected. You can also read about why some ads are approved and then rejected. There are so many things here. Even the advertising policies, you can also come to read them. Then you can also read about ad creative, special ad category, audience, budget, payment duration, Facebook pixel, and a whole lot more. All right, and actually come here to read up articles that would also help you increase your knowledge about how to run Facebook and Instagram ads. All right, but here's what we are going to for the moment. So we want to be able to contact Facebook support directly. We want to be able to reach out to a support pro if we are experiencing any issue, and that is what we want to be able to do. So I'll just click on the forward arrow here, and then it's going to be bringing me here. So the first thing it's going to ask us is, where is the issue occurring? So for you, because you probably only have one ads account already, you just have one ads account, and you probably have just one Facebook page. When you click on this, it's going to be dropping down only your ads account and maybe only your Facebook page, or if you have more than one Facebook page. For me, as an advertising agency, I actually manage several accounts for several people. I manage several ads accounts and Facebook pages and Instagram accounts and all that. And that's why we are having a lot of, these accounts right here, right? So but I'm going to select just one account that I want to actually use to show you an example of how to get, in contact with the Meta support. All right, so I'm going to be selecting this ad account. I'll select and then I'll click on confirm. Then it says, what issues are you experiencing? So once you drop this down, you're going to be having a lot of issues that you can complain about. So you just need to go through it, feel through it, and then click on the one that's that is going to help you address the issue that you're having. All right, so first of all, you need to have already known what issue you want to actually talk to them about. So maybe you have questions, or you just have a direct issue you want them to resolve. All right, so it could be that your account has been disabled, or you're having issues with payments, or you're having this error message that you can't seem to understand. All right, so you can just go through and then filter it and then see which one aligns with the issue you're having, and then you click on it. All right, so I'm just going to be going through it, and then I would select a particular one that we can actually use for this tutorial today. So let's say I want to go with this one that says, I have questions about my ad budget pacing. So let's say this has been an issue of concern to me, and I want to be able to contact Meta support for them to be able to help me explain or resolve this issue for me. So I'll just click on it, and then I'll click on confirm. So it brings you here, and then you click on next. So here you're going to be asked to enter some other details. It said, please provide information that will help us investigate. So I'll click on it, and let's see. Okay, so you can just write something that can help them understand what you're trying to complain about. So let's say, for instance, I'm going to be typing something like my budget gets spent faster than I expect. All right, something like that. Then I'll click here, and then I'll enter the number. All right, so the number you're going to be entering should be the number that is associated with your Facebook account. Right? After I've entered the phone number and the email address associated with the account, I'll now click on submit. So once I click on submit, it's going to now take me to Messenger. All right, so if you don't already have Messenger on your phone or on your device, it's going to take you to upload Messenger on your phone from the Apple Play Store or from the Google Play Store. So once you've had Messenger, it will now redirect you to the chat where you can now speak or chat with the Meta representative. So first of all, the first chat you're going to be getting, or the first response you're going to be getting would be from a chatbot. All right, will be from a chatbot, something like this. And if the chatbot doesn't answer your question, you can now proceed to tell them, or just type that you want to be able to speak with someone. Then they will give you a time for when a human representative can speak to you. All right, so after a while, you will now get on with a human representative, and then from there on, you will now continue to chat with this person. Okay, so sometimes from my experience, when the conversation has gotten to a certain point and the person doesn't seem to be understanding your problem very well, the person might actually ask to get on a call with you. All right, so I've actually been able to speak to Meta representatives over the phone, like on several occasions, and I've been able to speak with a human being. I've been able to tell them about my worries and my concerns, and then yes, sometimes they were really very helpful. So in your own case, you might actually get to that point where you can get to speak with someone over the phone. But even if you don't, just ensure that you're clear on what your issue is so they can help you resolve the issue. Okay, so that is basically it about how to contact Meta support directly whenever you have any issues regarding Facebook, running Facebook ads, whether it's for payment, for a disabled ad account, a restricted business manager, or your Facebook account has been disabled, or anything like that. So if you have issues running Facebook ads that converts, and you would want us to help you set up, manage, and optimize your campaign so that you can maximize your ads budget in this year, I will be glad to help you. So I'm going to be leaving the link in the description of this video to my WhatsApp, where we can actually have a conversation on how to actually help you set up, manage, and optimize proper Facebook ads campaign that converts and that would help you to get the best result for your money. All right, so thank you so very much for staying until the end of this video. I also believe that you have gained massive value from this tutorial. Please do me a favor and hit on the like button, and also share this video to other people whom you believe would also benefit from watching this tutorial as well. And until the next tutorial, bye for now.